I'm here with Kathleen Lyons. Now, you are the executive director of the Festival of Faiths. Now, could you give us a little history and background on this event?
I'd be happy to. This will be our 18th Festival of Faiths. We began in 1996, and we have had a continuous Festival of Faiths every year since then.
We're right here on the corner of 4th and Muhammad Ali, which used to be 4th and Walnut. And from what I've been told, this is the corner where Thomas Merton had his epiphany. Now, could you talk a little bit about that history?
That corner will forever be revered for what took place. At that time, 4th and Walnut, as it was then, was the heart of downtown Louisville, thickly populated. And he had a vision wherein he understood that he loved all the people that he saw, and he spoke of them as having faces shining like the sun. I think at that moment, Thomas Merton saw people as God himself sees people. This 18th Festival of Faiths, to take place from May 14th through the 18th, has been dedicated to the meeting of Thomas Merton and the Dalai Lama in 1968. We like to think that 1968 dates the interest of the Dalai Lama in our city, and certainly our city is far, far better off for a man like the Dalai Lama to take note of it.